Hi everybody, Levi Clay here back again for another daily transcription video, and once again it's been a busy one. So this isn't my transcription, this has been submitted by one of my Discord users, the Tab Dude. Check out a link to his channel in the description. I always appreciate the help when I'm super busy like this. Today we're looking at Trey Anastasio, the guitar player and founding member of the jam band Phish. Now if you're unfamiliar with the whole jam band scene, well, there's so much great guitar playing there. You can listen to bands like the Grateful Dead or Humphreys McGee or Dave Matthews Band or Widespread Panic or the Allman Brothers Band. You know, there are so many bands out there where you just have these like expressionist concerts where everything is just about seeing what happens in that moment. And there's so much great guitar playing. So I'm just going to stop talking. I'm going to let you check this out. Trey's playing here is really nice. I'd say the highlights are the points where he uses his distortion pedal as a way of creating feedback on his signal. It's not for an overdriven tone, it's to create feedback. Very, very cool. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So here we go. Trey Anastasio. Subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow. Laters.